Good Housekeeping Institute has been around since 1900. For over 100 years, our engineers and scientists have been testing products and telling consumers what's effective, what's not, and standing up as a consumer advocate. Our seal has become a universal symbol for reliability for products ranging from cosmetics and toys to big-ticket items like home appliances and building products, such as James Hardie exterior siding.
At James Hardie, we recognize the seal's value because consumers look to third-party endorsements, product reviews, and industry certifications when making big decisions like choosing siding for their home. The Good Housekeeping seal validates that they're making a great choice.
When James Hardie claims its fiber cement siding delivers uncompromising performance, consumers want to know it's been put to the test by unbiased experts.
Take our Color Plus technology finishes. We bake multiple coats of color onto the board in our own factories under carefully controlled conditions to ensure long-lasting color performance and fade resistance.
We can evaluate samples with our QUV accelerated weathering tester. Different siding materials are subjected to UV conditions using specialized UV lamps. After simulating thousands of hours of intense sunlight, we assess color change, gloss loss, blistering, and strength loss.
Good Housekeeping validated the exceptional fade and weather resistance of Color Plus technology finishes, a huge benefit for homeowners. Our siding is also designed to resist the effects of humidity, moisture, and damage from water.
We use another piece of equipment to help assess the water-resistant properties of the siding, the rain tester. It helps measure the resistance to the penetration of water by impact at varying intensities. We test how the product holds up to lengthy exposure to water using specialized equipment. We also evaluated James Hardie siding for resistance to flame spread, high winds, and impact from hail.
Our unique fiber cement formulations deliver siding that's both impact resistant and fire resistant. It can also be installed to achieve a 200 mile/hour wind load rating.
After all the product evaluations were completed and crunching all the data, we could confidently grant James Hardie siding the Good Housekeeping seal.
We're determined to live up to that honor every day.